This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, privacy glass, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, and a rear spoiler. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Detroit Lakes Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1015 Highway 59 South in Detroit.